Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn, Activity 42, Standard 8 English Bridge Course. This activity helps you in the use of punctuation marks. Punctuation is the use of standard marks and signs in writing to separate words into sentences, clauses and phrases to clarify meaning. These are the signals to readers. In speaking, we use pauses and pitch of the voice. Punctuation marks play the similar role in written work. The punctuation marks like full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, apostrophe, capitalization, at the rate of sign, brackets, quotation marks, etc. In this activity, you are going to identify the punctuation marks with the help of the structure of the sentence. Make use of types of flashcards based on real-world examples from signboards. Do maximum practice of listening to sentences in proper intonation to determine the correct use of punctuation. Frame sentences with specific punctuation like use of capital letters and apostrophe. Find out more examples of apostrophe and its usage. Follow the instructions of your teacher carefully as per suggested guidelines. Explore more activities related to this activity. In the learning activity, a punctuation mark is given. Circle according to its use in a sentence. Two options are given here. Comma used in the middle of the sentence, not at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence, we use full stop, exclamation mark or question mark according to the type of sentence. Then in the solved activity, read these sentences and see the punctuation marks. What is your name? Question mark. My name is Radha. Full stop. Oh, what a huge tree. It's an expression of strong feeling, exclamatory sentence, so exclamation mark. 4 sentences are given here. We have to put correct punctuation mark at the end of the sentence. Sunflowers are beautiful. Full stop. I love chocolate ice cream. Full stop. What do you want to eat for lunch? A question. So question mark at the end of the sentence. Wow. Look at the elephant. Expression of feelings of happiness. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamation mark. In the extension activity, a note written by Suman to her grandma is given here. Make use of comma, full stop, question mark, exclamation, apostrophe, capital letters wherever necessary. Dear grandma, how are you? Miss you so much. What a beautiful gift you have sent. I am so happy. I'll bring seeds, flowers, fruits, colored grass, etc. for dry decoration. See you soon. Lots of love, Suman. See carefully the punctuation marks given here. Rewrite the note in your notebooks on your own and put the punctuation marks properly. In the evaluation activity, once again sentences are given and we have to put correct punctuation marks with the given sentences. Where are we? I can't see my pen. Sudha and I are friends. How do you do? I bought a pen, ruler and a marker. How beautiful is the scene. Read these sentences once again. You can put the correct punctuation marks on your own. Practice it. Go on Diksha video. with the given links to know more about punctuation marks. Today, you have learned to identify proper punctuation marks, the usage of punctuation marks. You have learned to use punctuation marks in the middle or at the end of the sentence correctly. You have learned to take self activities on punctuation. Students, do practice of punctuation marks to improve your written work. We shall meet with your test on English Bridge course very soon. Thank you.